That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang African Swine Fever o ASF ay lubhang nakahahawa at nakamamatay sa mga baboy. Malaki ang epekto nito sa food safety at ekonomiya. Mahigpit na ipatupad ang biosecurity, maglinis at mag-disinfect. Mag-report agad sa lokal na pamahalaan kung magkasakit o mamatay ang alagang baboy. Bisitahin ang National ASF Prevention and Control Program o NASFPCP Facebook page para sa karagdagang impormasyon. Let's be aware, be secure, be ASF free.
Walk on by.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste ko! Pritong ulam na masebo, plato at kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to! Tanggaling-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart dishwashing paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
One of the biggest boy bands of the 90s is coming back to Manila. It's available at Tour is presented
DCXL News, ang himpilan ng RMN.